Hey friends, day 2 of the Design Influencers Tour is in full swing, and I had to bring you inside one of my favorite showrooms, Hooker Furnishings. For 100 years, they've been making beautiful quality furniture. Take a look. BOBO Intriguing Objects is one of the newest members of the Hooker Furnishings family, and they had me at hello. It's giving eclectic, it's giving cultural, and there's a retail location right here in Atlanta. Take a look at all of these beautiful pieces. I was immediately drawn to the mix of modern but also African-inspired decor, which of course we love around here. But it's also quality, it's also style, it's also stunning. Y'all, I think this might be my dream sofa. What do you think? Would you have this in your home? Let me know in the comments. Hooker Furnishings has it all, whether your style is modern, traditional, or cultural. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Let me know in the comments. Go to hookerfurniture.com now to see more and find a retailer near you. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more design inspiration.